Guys, how you doing? I see down in the comments a few of you guys are saying you're not being notified when I'm uploading videos. So I've seen someone else has had the same issue, and what they said what you can try and do is unsubscribe, subscribe again, and then hit that notification button again, and then that should get you notified. Alternatively, guys, probably the better option is if you check the link down below, guys, there's a link to my Facebook group. And every time I upload new videos, I put them into the Facebook group, and you'll be the first to see them. A lot of the time, I even put the videos onto Facebook first, so you'll be able to see videos early. So, guys, check the Facebook link down below, hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you stay notified. See you soon, guys. Loads and loads and loads of RC action coming up soon. See you later, bye.